Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Bbdino is probably one of the most versatile and exciting gadgets to hit the market in recent years, offering a unique blend of entertainment and educational value that appeals to a wide range of users, from curious kids to tech-savvy adults. Its innovative design and user-friendly interface make it incredibly accessible, while its advanced features provide endless possibilities for exploration and creativity. Whether you're looking to spark a child's imagination, engage in a new hobby, or simply experience the cutting edge of interactive technology, this device promises to deliver an unparalleled experience that will keep you captivated for hours on end. Number 5. KODAK Slide and Scan Film and Slide Scanner. Bring your old film and slides back to life. This device easily converts your precious memories into digital files, preserving them for years to come. Experience your photos in stunning 22MP clarity. It converts color and black and white negatives and slides into high-quality JPEG digital photos. Easily preview and edit your images on the large 5-inch LCD screen. Its gallery mode makes it perfect for sharing or displaying your photos. Loading your film is quick and easy with the convenient inserts. Enjoy a fast and simple scanning process with continuous loading. Enhance and convert your photos with a single touch. Simple options allow you to adjust color, brightness, and set the date without complex settings. It handles all your old film and negatives, saving them directly to an SD card. Connect it to your computer or TV for easy viewing and sharing. What we like. This device is perfect for anyone looking to digitize old memories. If you have boxes of old film negatives and slides, this is your solution. It offers a large screen for easy viewing and editing, making the process simple and enjoyable. What people say. The Bbdino is a great product. It works well and has a good design. I love the features of the Bbdino. It is very user-friendly. The Bbdino is a high-quality product that is built to last. Number 4. Let's Resin Silicone Mold Making Kit 140 ounces. Discover our premium liquid silicone, perfect for crafting. It's platinum cured, safe, non-toxic, and incredibly flexible. You can even add mica powder to create unique colors for your projects. This kit makes mold making simple with its easy 1:1 mixing ratio. Just combine part A and part B, stir for 5 minutes, and you're ready to pour. Ensure thorough mixing for the best results. Worried about bubbles? Our silicone naturally degasses, meaning bubbles disappear on their own within 2 hours. No vacuum equipment needed. While the working time is 5 minutes, it fully cures in just 6 to 12 hours, depending on size and thickness. If it feels a bit sticky, simply allow more time to cure. New to mold making? This kit is designed for you. Enjoy a fun and creative experience with no special skills or tools required. Cleaning up is easy with soap and water or rubbing alcohol. Unleash your creativity with its wide applications. It's ideal for DIY resin, wax, candle, and soap molds. Make your own unique creations with ease. What we like. If you're new to crafting or looking for a user-friendly mold-making experience, this is an excellent choice. Its clear, flexible, and odorless formula makes it ideal for beginners wanting to create custom resin, wax, or candle molds without any fuss. What people say. The product is very easy to assemble. It is a great value for the money. The design is sleek and modern. Number 3. Bbdino Silicone Mold Making Kit. Introducing the Bbdino Silicone Mold Making Kit, your solution for creating professional quality molds with ease. This kit provides everything you need to get started. Our kit comes with 2 bottles, each securely sealed with tinfoil to prevent any leaks. You can trust that your materials will arrive in perfect condition, ready for use. With its low viscosity, this liquid silicone is a breeze to mix and pour, eliminating the need for special equipment. The resulting molds are incredibly flexible and strong, perfect for any project. Achieve a quick turnaround with a short working time and rapid curing at room temperature. This means you can start casting your creations sooner than ever before. This platinum-grade silicone is ideal for a wide range of projects, from resin and plaster casting to creating custom soaps and candles. Let your creativity flow. Store any leftover material for over a year with its resealable cap, ensuring no waste. The beautiful jade green color helps you easily confirm and even mix for stunning results. Rest assured, our silicone is platinum grade, food contact safe, skin contact safe, and completely odorless and non-toxic. Enjoy peace of mind while you create. What we like. For those who need to create molds quickly and efficiently, this silicone is a game changer. Its fast curing time and self-degassing properties make it perfect for busy crafters or those who want to get to their casting projects sooner. The vibrant jade green color also helps ensure an even mix. What people say. Bbdino is a great product that works well. I love the design of the Bbdino, it's very sleek and modern. The features of the Bbdino are amazing, it has everything I need and more. Number 2. EcoSmart ECO18 Electric Tankless Water Heater. Introducing the EcoSmart ECO18, an electric tankless water heater designed for efficiency. Enjoy continuous hot water without the wait. With 18 kW of power at 240 volts, it heats water quickly and efficiently. Its patented self-modulating technology ensures optimal energy use. Take full control of your comfort with its digital temperature display. Easily set your desired temperature in precise 1-degree increments. This unit is configured for climates with incoming water temperatures of 62 degrees Fahrenheit and above. It's capable of heating over 2.5 gallons per minute. Its sleek, compact design measures 17 by 14 by 3.5 inches and comes in a clean white finish. It operates on a single-phase, 240-volt system. Upgrade to a smarter, more energy-efficient way to heat your water. Experience the convenience and savings it offers. What we like. If you're looking to save on energy bills and have continuous hot water, this tankless water heater is a great option. It's ideal for homes that need on-demand hot water without the energy waste of traditional tank heaters. Its self-modulating technology ensures efficient performance. What people say. The Bbdino has a very detailed and realistic design, making it a great display piece. The Bbdino's articulation is surprisingly good, allowing for a variety of poses. The paint application on the Bbdino is well done, with subtle shading and highlights. Number 1. Magic Resin 4 Deep Pore Epoxy Resin Kit. Introducing our specially formulated deep pore epoxy resin, designed for exceptional clarity and depth. It's the perfect choice for bringing your creative visions to life, from stunning river tables to intricate casting projects. Achieve remarkable depth and dimension in your creations with our unique formula. This resin allows for pores up to 4 inches thick, ideal for impressive river tables and casting applications. Create with confidence thanks to its low odor and low VOC content. It's food safe, making it perfect for kitchen surfaces, charcuterie boards, and serving trays. This clear polymer is easy to work with, featuring a low viscosity for effortless mixing with colors. Its simple 2-to-1 ratio makes it suitable for everyone, from beginners to pros. Enjoy lasting beauty with superior resistance to UV rays, scratches, and water. It maintains a flawless finish even in humid conditions, ensuring your projects stand the test of time. As a proud North American company, we deliver a high-quality product crafted with care. Experience the difference that dedication and expertise make for your art and woodworking. What we like. This epoxy resin is designed for ambitious projects that require significant depth, like river tables. If you're aiming for a crystal clear, high-gloss finish and need a product that can handle thick pores safely, this is the one. Its food-safe and low-odor properties make it suitable for creating beautiful, functional pieces for your home. What people say. The Bbdino is a fantastic toy that keeps my kids entertained for hours. It's well made and durable, and the interactive features are engaging. I love the Bbdino. It's educational and fun, and my children have learned so much from playing with it. The design is also very appealing. The Bbdino is a great value for the price. It's a high-quality toy that provides hours of entertainment and learning opportunities. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.